Decided to take it easy. He spins, fires, basket off the glass. Number 25, pass inside, posting up, lays it up, easy two. Ilang up by one to the middle for the lead. Basket, what a move! Welcome sa Intertown Abra. Solid North Top. First ball po si and he attacks. He bump. Falling away. Short. Wala pa rin. All zero score. Walang gustong umiscore ata. And here's Lee setting the play. Maigpit ang mga depensa. Paigpitan ng depensa mga idol spins. And bounce pass to the middle. Corner. Waldo open. Oduka. 1-2 strong. And rebound here. Lick one by number 12. Pass to Jimenez. Fakes. Kicks out. Left on for three. Bang! And number 11 Oduka. Pass to Lee. Lee now holds the ball against number 4. Goes to the screen. Corner. Open. Low floater. Oduka will finish at the Jimenez. Kid Jimenez at the wing side. Naagawan. Ling. At the top. Stop. Deep three. Bang! The nets by Kid Jimenez. Pass to the middle. Decided to take it easy. He spins. Fires. Basket off the glass. And here's Mejia. Looking for Lee. Pass to Lee. Lee against number 30. Against 3. Bang! In your face. Lee. Lee against Jimenez. Pass to the wing. Sideless. Off the glass. Yes, sir. Mejia. And here's Jimenez. Side step. Lost the handle. Arabe. No good. Put back. Jimenez. No good. And here's Lee. The pass break. Oduka all the way. All alone. Easy two. Jimenez. High pass. Eksakto yung pasa. Dahil pass. Arabe with the finish. Oduka inbounding. Pass inside. And this big Lee kicks out. Open look for three. Bang! And the pass. And here's Arabe. Hook shot. Lee. Lee cross the mid-lane. Crossover. Behind the back pass. And lost the handle, recovered by Oduka to Lee. Lee, Flores, yes sir! Hook pass, all alone. Arabe, easy 2 points. There's team lick one by number 12 at the top. Goes to the screen. Pass to number 10. Corner, pull up here at the baseline. The lucky bounce. And zone 3. At the top. To number 9, bounce pass, corner, Arabe, floater, no go, rebound, put back shot by Mejia against Santos. Natapikan is stolen, pass break, and all alone, Arabe, easy two. He crosses the mid lane, he's at the top. Pass to number 25, pass inside, posting up, lays it up, easy two. Arabe at the top. Arabe against Lee. Pass to the middle. Santos. He stops. Spins. Kicks out. Hernandez will attack. He stops. Bump. Kicks out. Open look. Santos for 3. Bang! Santos! Oduka goes to the screen. He stops. Pass inside. Another extra pass. Hook shot. Yes, sir. The raggy bounce. Flick one by Hernandez to Arabe. The floater shot of the window won't go. The second chance. The put back and the finish. And here is Oduka against Hernandez. Crossover between the legs. Step back for 3. Bang! The nets! Open carry number 30. 25-26. Lagang ilang up by 1 to the middle for the lead. Basket! What a move! And here's Oduka. 27-26. Drives to the hoop. Short. Rebound. Hernandez the pass break. And lays up by 3. Inbounding. And here's Lee. Lee against Domingo. Goes to the screen. Goes to the baseline. Pass to Oduka. Launches on 3. Bang! Oduka against Kit Jimenez. Oduka. Bounce pass inside. And here's Hoyo. He kicks out. Left alone for 3. Bang! Another 3. And here's Kit Jimenez. High pass Santos. Santos to Kit Jimenez. Kit Jimenez to Santos. Santos fires at 3. Bang! Lee against Domingo. Goes to the screen. Pull up jumper at the free throw area. Whoop! Offensive. No basket. Jimenez setting the play. He stops to the middle. To Kit Jimenez. In pass and lost the hander. Lee. Pass break. Oduka all alone to the hoops. Easy 2. Lee at the top. Deep 3. Short. Rebound. Jimenez. Kit Jimenez. Pass. Lee's bucket. Hernandez. Lee. Now in a hurry. Goes inside. Lee. Yes sir. Lee. Hernandez will cross the mid lane. The crossover. Goes inside. Play step. Plays no good. Fight for the rebound. Rebound Domingo. Behind the back pass. Pinasa sa kalaban. And here's Lee. Lee, pass, Oduka, libre. Nice pass. And hit Kit Jimenez. Kit Jimenez, corner pass. Hernandez will fire a 3. Won't go. Oduka the rebound. And here's Lee. Lee. Easy lace. Lee. Kit Jimenez from deep. Oduka, pass inside, bump, fire, short. Bucket. 7-point lead for Lagangilang. Kit Jimenez, sisinyas dito. Asks for a pick. Stops to the middle. Inside pass. Arabe posting up. Against number 20. Kicks out. And inside pass na libre. Bucket for 2. Goes to the screen. Natapikan. Stolen by Kit Jimenez. 2-on-1 ang laban. Against Lee. Pass sa gilid. Ow! Libreng-libre si Kit Jimenez. Jimenez. Pass to Hernandez. Corner pass, Arabe. Jimenez. Fakes. Goes inside. Pinabitin. Nugget. Rebound and a pass break. And Oduka. Stops Lee. Yes sir, Oduka. And here's Hernandez. Fires a 3. In and out. Mejia. Lee. Pass to Oduka. Oduka. Looking for Lee. Pass to Lee. Lee against Domingo. Lee goes to the screen. Attacks, spins, kicks out. Oduka open, look for 3. Nugget. Rebound, put back. Bucket for 2. Inbound, Hernandez. Bounce pass inside. Hook shot. In and out. Rebound, Arabe. Put back shot. Bucket, Arabe. Lee against Domingo. Between the legs. Di Discarte. Looking for the opponent. He stops. Fires a 3. Won't go. Rebound for team Likwan by Santos. Pinabitin Domingo. Coach to coach pass. Yes. Oduka against Jimenez. Goes to the screen. Baseline. Attacks. Fires a 3. Won't go. Rebound. Here's Potter. Rejected by Arabe. And here's Kevin Santos. 3-on-1 pass. And bounce pass. Oh, wala. Kicks out, he stops, open, look for 3. One go. And here's Lee. Lee, penetrate, Lee. Oh, what expected. And he pass, number 20, Lee. Yes, sir. Santos, inside pass, fires. Yes, sir, the answer. Here's Santos, pass to Kit Jimenez. Attacks, pass to Pars, pull up J. Bucket, Arabe. 350. 3-point lead for Lagangilang. Oduka will attack, will spins, will fake. And recover. Bounding. Pass to Lee. Lee attacks, rejected by Kit Jimenez. Pass break. And Lee's bucket. 1-point lead. A 2-point lead for Lagangilang. And here's Kit Jimenez, sumisigsag, spins, fast. And here's Lee. All the way to the hoops. Bucket. Lee. Jimenez. He stops. Pass to Arabe. Arabe will stop. Pull up J. Won't go. And the pass. And attacks. Rejected. Put back shot. Won't go. Rebound by Kit Jimenez. High pass. Eksakto yung pasa kay Arabe. Bump. Hinatid. Kicks out. Open look. Fires. Short. Lee. Lee, stop, pull up J. Bullseye, Lee. Lee for Lagangilang, cross the mid lane, stops, picks. To number 25. Lee, open, fires. In and out. Rebound. Hoyoy. Pass, wala pa rin. Put back, rejected. And Oduka kicks out to Lee. Lee will pull up J. Bucket! Lee! Kit Jimenez. Pass to the middle. Arabe. Pass to Santos. Kevin Santos. Spins na baliktad. And the pass break. Oduka. Pinoy step. Ay, libre si Lee. With the Jimenez. Sinising niya si Kevin. Here's Santos. High pass inside. Stolen by Lee. Lee attacks. And he decided to take it easy. Lee. Pass to Oduka to Lee. Lee with the ball. Against Domingo. Goes to the screen. Pull up yung pinasa. And pass a three. Bang! Lee! And here's Domingo. Pass it to Hernandez. Goes to the screen by Arabe. High pass. Nice. Stolen by Oduka. Oduka drive. Alley-oop to Lee. And bucket! Arabe against Lee. Arabe spins. Nakalusot. Fires. Won't go. Rebound para kay floater shot off the glass. Na good. Rebound na naman Lee. Lee now in hurry. Lee. Side step. Labas tayo. Basket and one. Lee. Kit Jimenez. Jimenez will stop. Pass to Arabe. Fires at 3. Won't go. Rebound Domingo. Pass to Arabe. To Kit Jimenez. Inside pass to Domingo. Fires off the window. Money. Domingo. 56-71. And Lee for 3. Bang! Another 3. Jimenez against Oduka for 3. Short. And the high pass, Oyoy! Busy too, Oyoy! Jimenez, pass to the middle. And here's Hernandez for 3. Bang! Hernandez! Oduka against Jimenez. Oduka will attack. Will pass inside. Alley-oop pass. The lap pass. And Hernandez will attack. Will bump. Will spin. Lee's basket and one. Hernandez. Deep 3. Unang tira ni Idol. Unang tira niya sa liga. And congratulations, Team Lagangilang.